Make a promise. She made a promise to her friend to keep in touch. Keep a promise. He always keeps his promises, no matter what. Give a promise. They gave a promise to support each other through thick and thin. Break a promise. Breaking a promise can hurt trust in a relationship. Go back on your promise. He went back on his promise to volunteer for the event, leaving us short-staffed. Hold someone to a promise. I will hold you to your promise to visit me next summer. Have somebody's promise. I have her promise that she'll help me move next weekend. Take back a promise. She took back her promise when she realized she couldn't commit. Rely on a promise. You can rely on my promise. I won't let you down. Firm promise. He made a firm promise to return the borrowed book. Vague promise. Their vague promise left everyone uncertain about the future. Solemn promise. She gave a solemn promise to keep their secrets safe. Broken promise. The broken promise hurt their friendship deeply. Empty promise or hollow promise. The politician's pledge turned out to be an empty promise with no action taken. Election promise. A candidate's election promise was to improve healthcare services in the community. Rash promise. He made a rash promise to finish the work by tomorrow. Wild promise. She made a wild promise to host a huge party if she passed her test.